Hello everyone and welcome to Building Web Applications. My name is Steve Bishop from ProgrammingMadeEasy.com, and I'd like to welcome you to this brand new course on how to build web applications. Throughout this course we're going to be discussing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But in this video we're going to just start off with some of the basics. What are the parts of a web page? So the parts of a web page are HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And HTML is essentially the objects that make up a web page. Then we have CSS, which stands for Cascade Style Sheets. Now, Cascade Style Sheets are for formatting and characteristics of those objects that we created with HTML. These help to add things like color, size, and orientation of the different elements that make up the page. Then finally, there's JavaScript. And JavaScript is a coding language that our browsers use in order to create some interactivity with the page. So JavaScript is a coding language that browsers use to create interactive effects with the objects that are on the web page. In this course, we'll be digging into each one of these a little bit deeper. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll be learning how to write elements on a page using HTML, how to add attributes to those elements. Also, you'll be learning Cascade Style Sheets to add certain characteristics and coloring and size and shaping using CSS. And finally, we'll dig into the JavaScript coding language, and you'll see how to add that interactivity to your application that's presented to the users. I hope you're as excited to learn about how to build web pages as I am to teach it to you. Special thanks goes to these members who, without their contributions, would not make this series possible. Thank you.